Okay, show him the next thing.
Judah, you look.
Look over here what Sister's found.
Love you.
I'm tired now,
Oh, he likes those balls.
Yeah.
Come here, look what else his sister found.
I don't know how to turn that.
Turn them.
I can't.
You just turn them.
No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Oh.
Okay, take him somewhere else and show him stuff. Show him this thing.
Oh, thank you. Judah, look.
That's not how you get in it. Julia,
Yes.
can you come get him in? Here. Okay. Let Sister help you. Go across.
Huh?
Julia, stop.
Sorry, I'm stuck.
Go across, brother.
Let me get over here.
Why don't you get down and help him?
I've got to get across.
Julia, get down and help him. He's coming. He's coming. Hi, man. JW. Look here. What you doing? You got it. You got it.
And then he tries to go and just...
Yay. Stand up and clap. Yay.
Oh.
Stand up and clap. Hey, can you clap? He wants to go back, Julia. Let him go. Keep going. Get off, please, now.
Bye. Ah.
Keep going. Oh, watch your head. Whoa. You slip. You're supposed to be down. Whoa. What are your legs doing?
He's gonna fall into the splits and rip one of his muscles.
Keep going. Hey, brother, come on. Keep going. Hey. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, that's
I'm recording it. Oh my gosh, that was hysterical. Okay, you want off?